Good morning, students. Today we are going to complete the English worksheet of class 8, in which we are going to know about our chapter Tsunami. During the lockdown period, India was affected by some natural disasters. Look up the news of last 4 to 5 months and write the names of a place, state where these natural disasters occurred. अभी कोरोना के रिगार्डिंग हमारी काफ़ी सारी छुट्टियां हुई थी, यानी लॉकडाउन पीरियड में काफ़ी सारे नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर्स हुए, लाइक अर्थक्वेक्स, फ्लड्स, लैंडस्लाइड्स, साइक्लोन। तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको पता करना है कि उस टाइम पीरियड में आपका जो अर्थक्वेक है वो कौन सी प्लेस यानी कौन सी स्टेट में आया, फ्लड्स, लैंडस्लाइड एंड साइक्लोन कहाँ पर किस स्टेट में आए हैं। यू हैव टू राइट ऑल दिस हियर. In this lesson, you will read about another natural disaster, tsunami. On 26th December 2004, a tsunami hit parts of India such as Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Tamil Nadu coast, and few more countries. A tsunami. What is tsunami? Tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. तो सुनामी क्या है? एक बहुत बड़ी और बहुत ही पावरफुल वेव है, आपकी लहर है जो समुद्र के नीचे अगर अर्थक्वेक आ जाता है उसके कारण बनती है, तो वी कॉल इट सुनामी. कैन यू, आपका बी पार्ट इज कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई द प्लेसेस marked A and B on the given map. So this A is your Tamil Nadu coast, and B is your Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which is written here. I am writing in short form A and N. You have to write the complete name. Andaman here, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You have to write it here in the B part. The tsunami caused huge destruction, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा तबाही करती है, and loss of life and property. Here are some stories of courage and survival. So this lesson is all about the stories of courage and survivals. So let's start with it. These stories are all from Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago means a group of islands. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Cachel. So who was Ignatius? Was manager. He was a manager of a cooperative society in Cachel. यानी वो एक मैनेजर था कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी में, कैचल में. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. उसकी वाइफ ने उसे 6 a.m. मॉर्निंग में उठा दिया, because she felt an earthquake, क्योंकि उसे भूकंप महसूस हुआ. So Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table. Ignatius ने क्या किया, अपने टेलीविज़न को टेबल से उठाकर ध्यान से नीचे रख दिया ताकि वो टूटे ना, and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. उसके बाद पूरी फैमिली क्या है, घर से जल्दी जल्दी बाहर निकल गई. When the tremors stopped, tremor मतलब कंपन, यानी जब वो कंपन रुक गई, they saw the sea rising. उन्होंने देखा कि जो समुद्र है उसमें बहुत लंबी लंबी लहरें आ रही हैं. In the chaos and confusion, so सब घबराहट में, 2 of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother. तो जो उनके 2 बच्चे थे जिन्होंने अपनी मम्मी के फादर का और मम्मी के ब्रदर का हाथ पकड़ा हुआ था, they rushed in opposite direction. वो opposite direction में भाग गए. He never saw them again. उन्हें कभी नहीं देखा. His wife was also swept away. उनकी वाइफ भी बह गई. Only the 3 other children who came with him were saved. उनके जो बाकी 3 बच्चे जो उसके साथ थे वही बच पाए. Next story is of Sanjeev. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in Catchall Island of Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself. वो किसी तरह खुद को, his wife, अपनी वाइफ को और अपनी बेबी डॉटर को बचाने में सफल रहा, मैनेज कर लिया उसने. बट देन ही हर्ड क्राइज. उसने क्या सुना? रोने की आवाज़ें सुनाई दी. Someone was crying for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. तो जॉन जो उसकी गेस्ट हाउस कुक था, उसकी वाइफ की आवाज़ सुनी उसने. संजीव जम्प्ड इनटू द वाटर टू रेस्क्यू हर. संजीव जो है पानी में कूद गया ताकि वो उसे बचा सके. बट दे वर बोथ स्वेप्ट अवे. लेकिन वो दोनों ही बह गए. थर्ड स्टोरी इज ऑफ मेघना. मेघना वॉज अ 13-year-old was swept away along with her parents. तो मेघना भी अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ ही बह गई. 77 other people. उस टाइम 77 people उस सुनामी में बह गए थे. She spent 2 days floating in the sea. उसने समुद्र में 2 दिन बहते हुए तैरते हुए बिताए. Holding on to a wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters. उसने 11 बार अपने सर के ऊपर जो आपके राहत के हेलीकॉप्टर्स थे जो उन्हें बचाने आए थे वो देखे. बट दे डिड नॉट सी हर. उनमें से किसी ने भी उसे नहीं देखा. शी वॉज ब्रॉट टू द शोर बाय अ वेव. तो एक वेव ने उसे क्या किया? किनारे तक ले आए. एंड वॉज फाउंड वॉकिंग ऑन द सी शोर इन अ डेज. और उन्हें उसे यानी मेघना को समुद्री किनारे पर बेसुध अवस्था में उसे पाया. राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू write the answers. The C part is, now complete the sentences with the help of the passage above. First is, Meghna spent 2 days dash in the sea. 2 days floating in the sea. So I have written the answers already here. The C part, first part is floating in the sea. She saw, what did she saw? She saw relief helicopters. So second one is relief helicopter. Its second part says, Sanjeev lost his life but saved his wife and his baby girl from the waves. So answer is, he saved his wife and his baby daughter. Third part is, Ignatius could only save his 3 children who came with him. The answer is 3. D part. In your opinion, which words in the list below describe Sanjeev? Look up the dictionary for words that you are not sure of. Use words from the list to complete the sentence below. So the words are cheerful, brave, careless, heroic, selfless, heartless. I think that he was very brave, heroic, yes, and selfless because उसने अपने बारे में नहीं सोचा, so he is selfless. So answers are heroic and selfless. Now the E part, find out the past tense of the verbs in italics. Italics, these are italic words from the above passage and rewrite the phrases. An example has been done for you. So the first one is, feel the earthquake. Feel is written in italics. Its past tense is felt. So felt the earthquake. Likewise, the second one is, see the sea rising. So we will write here, saw the sea rising. In the third, come with him. Answer is, came with him. Fourth one is, hear cries for help, and the past tense of hear is heard cries for help. Fifth is, jump into the water, and the past tense of jump is jumped into the water. And the last part is, wake him up The past tense of wake is walk. So answer is walk him up. I have also written the new words with its meaning in Hindi so that it will be easy for you to read this and understand this lesson. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you